What's for dinner? What is that stuff? Stab it on top. That's it. Mmm. Oh no! What are you eating? Is that watermelon? Whoa. Good job. Is this watermelon? It's red. Good job. It's red.
Mama.
Red watermelon. Good job. Can you say hi to everyone at home? Can you say hi to Bobby? Can you say hi, Bobby? Hi, Aunt Nene. Can you say hi to Aunt Nene?
Papi.
Bobby, can you say Aunt Nene?
Nene.
And Joey? Ooh. Can you say hi to Joey? Can you say hi to Joey? What color is this? What color is your fork?
Pink.
Green. Did you just fart? Wow. Ow. Good boy. Whoop. Maybe Mommy should cut those pieces smaller next time. You say bye-bye? Mwah. Say bye-bye.
Mama.
One more. Last piece. Good job. We're all done. Yay! Say cool. Was that cool?
Mama.
Okay, I'll get you some more. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.